If the room air is too dry and the relative humidity is under the ideal value of 40 to 60%, we recommend the LBE air humidification unit. This patented and hygienically tested system is suitable for installation or for retrofitting in ventilation systems. The LBE 250A can be operated in conjunction with any room ventilation unit with a volume flow of up to 350 cubic meters an hour. The LBE 500A is used for higher volume flows of up to 500 cubic meters an hour. The LBE is a compact, automatic air humidification unit for the active humidification of the room air. The sensor circuit board at the air outlet detects the airflow and any deviation from the set point. If the air is too dry, the humidification process activates. The water solenoid valve opens and partially fills the tub. The water runs through an osmosis unit. In the osmosis unit, the water flow is divided. The clean water flows into the tub, the rest is discharged as wastewater. The UVC lamp activates to kill possible bacteria and germs in the water. The rotor with the slats starts to turn. The slats are immersed in the water, and the air passing over them absorbs the moisture from the slats. The sensor board measures the temperature and humidity at the outlet. The system regulates the heating element continuously based on the desired temperature. The humidity is controlled by adjusting the water level in the tub. In this way, water is always supplied when needed. If humidification is no longer necessary, the device switches to standby mode and the water is pumped out. All the water is renewed once a day for hygienic reasons. This means that the tub is completely pumped out and then refilled. PICHLER LBE for optimal room humidity, 365 days a year.